Mr. Speaker, the strong economic fundamentals together with the renewed investor confidence is a signal for accelerated, broad economic growth and creation of jobs for our youth. In 2023, the total new jobs generated in the economy increased from 848,200 jobs compared to 816,600 new jobs generated in 2022. And this is attributable to policies implemented, especially when you focus on affordable housing and the agricultural sector interventions. Looking ahead, Mr. Speaker, and considering the ongoing reforms and even additional measures the government is introducing through the budget statement, we project our economy to grow at 5.5% in 2024 and 2025. This strong growth will be supported by ongoing interventions at the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. In this regard, the government will accelerate investment in human capital development and capital accumulation, in market development, protection and regulation, in domestic resource mobilization, in reforming and restructuring government institutions, and finally, and more important, digitization to usher an era of efficiency in economic management to support economic recovery. Mr. Speaker, in order to safeguard macroeconomic stability and protect the fragile economic recovery, monetary and fiscal policies will remain very prudent. The Central Bank of Kenya will ensure inflation rate remains within target while maintaining a competitive exchange rate and stable interest rates. The Central Bank is further expected to safeguard the improvements in the functioning of the interbank foreign exchange market and apply all its instruments to strengthen the monetary policy transmission mechanism. On the other hand, Mr. Speaker, fiscal policy stance over the medium term aims at supporting the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda by delivering a strong fiscal consolidation with fiscal deficit declining from 3.3% of GDP in financial year 2024-2025 from a high of 5.7% of GDP in financial year 2023-2024. This will improve the primary surplus to 2.3% of GDP in the financial year 2023-2025 from a primary deficit of 0.4% in the previous year. I will later in this statement elaborate on policy measures to deliver the strong fiscal consolidation. Mr. Speaker, this economic outlook